Nutella fans, you are going to love this yummy Instant Pot Cheesecake.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Right, it was for my birthday, so of course I chose a yummy one. Welcome to Sweetwater Cakes. The first thing is to mash up those Oreos. I'm using my food processor, but of course you don't have to. You could just bang those Oreos on the ground or something. Adding a little bit of butter to just sort of hold it together. And I'm using a springform pan. Make sure that you put the springform pan in the correct way. Take those Oreos, put them in the pan, and push them down. Pretend like you're making a sandcastle. Press it down as hard as you can. I'm adding softened cream cheese. Now, if you're new here, definitely click that subscribe button for more fun videos like this and others. So in my food processor, I'm mixing it up really well. I want to make sure there are no clumps in my cream cheese. And now for my other ingredients. I like adding a little bit of sour cream because it gives it a little bit of a tang. And of course, don't forget the Nutella. Yum, 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 yum. And now I'm mixing it up again, and make sure you scrape down those sides. We do not want a clumpy, unmixed cheesecake. So we mix it up again. Now we're going to add our eggs and our vanilla. And the reason we add those at the end is because we don't want too much air to be incorporated in with those eggs. Spread it into the pan. Release those air bubbles with a couple of taps and add some tinfoil to keep it nice and tight during the cooking process. I'm going to add a cup of water to my Instant Pot as well as a little trivet that came with it, and then I put my cheesecake right on top. In the Instant Pot it goes, 55 minutes with a slow release. Now for a little frosting, I have here just cream cheese frosting, and I'm adding some Nutella for it because I want it to be extra Nutella-y. I'm going to scrape my cheesecake around the sides. It has cooled overnight, mind you. And pop it out. Hope it comes out well. And whoo, it does. Don't want it to slide around on my little platter, so I like to put a little frosting right there on the bottom. Now, I like to design mine with a little bit of frosting there, and of course, this is my favorite candy, so I'm putting them right on top each little rosette. And we're done! It's my birthday, I enjoyed it. Comment below and tell me, what do you like to have on your birthday?